Oh man, we in that jailbreak today, baby. You see this logo right here? This jailbreak? That lets you know you succeeded in life.
Okay. Oh, money.
I'm not bagging off what I said. If 200 ain't on the dash, turn it in. Cause we taking out this big ghetto box. Oh man, we in that jailbreak today, baby. Dodged and did it again, man. But all I gotta say is, you see this here? You see this emblem right there? That red eye that make you and your slow Honda and Toyota say, bye-bye. You see these Brimbos over here? These yellow Brimbos? Oh, they got some stopping power. They got stopping power like the bras on Instagram that's really bimbos. Now let me show you up under here. Up under here, you see this air intake, that cold air intake? Hey, you cannot be, and let me say again, you cannot be a snowflake if you got this air intake. Cause it got power on it. The 6.2 liter engine over here, oh man, it got so much power, it's crazy, right? You can't be an ordinary Joe Blow. You can't just come from a Honda, Toyota, Hyundai, what's the other car? It's an ugly Acura, until this right here. Cause it just ain't gonna happen. You gotta step up. You gotta first get you a, let's see, we gonna get you a Scat Pack first, then you get a 717, then you get a 797, then you get the ultimate 807. That's what this is over here. You see this juice right here? Ooh, let me drink a little. Oh yeah, that's good, y'all. Never know what it tastes like because you get your credit up. You gotta get your credit up. All right, come on over here. Let me show you this over here. You see this logo right here? This jailbreak? Oh man, that jailbreak right there. That lets you know you succeeded in life. You just succeeded. You see what I'm saying? You just succeeded. Look at this carbon fiber right here. You see that carbon fiber right there? Oh God. Okay. Oh, money. That mean money. Oh, look at this red interior over here. This red interior right there. See, that'll get my little boy up in there. My little twin son, he ride with me. He love it. He already know. He said, Daddy, you rich, huh? You rich, you got a jailbreak. You got a jailbreak. I say, that's right, son. We rich. We got a jailbreak. And all the bots out here that's mad, they can't get one. They want one. They say, why you need that much power? I'll gap you in my 1997 car. Use a lie. Let's take him over here. Let's take him. Look at that SRT. That mean don't come close to me. That's what that mean right there. Diffuser. When you behind this, all you remember is you're a loser. When you see the diffuser. 807 jailbreak. Hey, I love you. Hey, I love y'all. Get your money and your muscle. Get your hustle up. One day, you can get you an 807 horsepower jailbreak. All right, let's go. Hey, you, it's time to recover them muscles. Get your hypey aminos at hypeylife.com. People they kind of got hooked on seeing, Dodge right there. Gotta show them that. AMG, Benz, 200 on the dash. Hey, I'm not bagging off what I said when we first got the cars. If 200 ain't on the dash, turn it in.
I got a question.
Yes, sir.
What if it doesn't have a dash, a 200, doesn't have nothing? Like the Tesla.
You gonna have to figure out, ask Elon if you can set something on the dashboard or something that will calculate the time and go miles per hour.
Okay.
Oh, you have something?
I'm tweeting Elon right now.
Oh, you're tweeting? Okay.
I'm gonna tweet him.
Go on and do that, man, because it ain't sufficient if you don't go 200 miles an hour. So yeah, we got the Mercedes-Benz right here, all carbon fiber, real carbon fiber, not wrapped carbon fiber. Look at this. Oh God, I ain't touched that carbon fiber in a while, baby. A nice little setup right here, carbon fiber cup holder. You got a heater in here. A lot of people didn't know. You got a cold. See this? You can if you want to drink your stuff in the morning, you make it cold. Look at that light. I need to start leaving that on. That's cold right there. You make it hot. See, it's red now. Come on. Oh, we got some work done up in here. Might as well pop one of those early in the morning. You know what I mean? We got the nice red and tea up in here. You know, big sunroof. You know, you can open that like that. And you can open the sunroof as well.
You can?
Yeah.
You never do none of this.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, you never do. This never happens.
Good stuff, man. I've been saving it for the right time. Yeah, got carbon fiber right there. Alright. Got this good Alicore. That good apple core. You know what I mean? Look at this mirror right here. Professional. You got the red and tea up in here. What else can I show them? Music up. Oh, that's what we're here today to do. I forgot the main thing we're here. We're getting this Hertz system in there. $15,000 system, man. You know, just because I've worked so hard over these years, Hertz want to partner up, man. So they gonna be doing our cars. Well, Hertz and Kickers gonna be doing our car. Who gonna do the Dodge? Do we?
Whoever gets the stuff faster.
Oh, okay. So it's either Hertz.
I think it might be Kicker.
Yeah.
Like Henry's out there.
Hen dog. So that's it with the car for now. Carbon fiber right here as well. You know what I mean? Laptop. Apple's laptop's kind of old. I need to get a. Well, I got a new one. I got like 5 computers.
Rich.
You know, so we're gonna go talk to Hen Dog. Show y'all the process, man, of the Hertz new audio sound getting put in the GLE Mercedes Benz. Let's go, baby. What's happening, man? Just looking at, you know, Mercedes Benz. The only thing that I don't like about Mercedes Benz is the audio system. You know, so we had to come over here to Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and we got to get it redone. And shout out to Hertz. One of the best in the business to do it, especially with highs and all that. The sound is clear. They sponsored this vehicle to get done. So shout out to Hertz, man. So I'm excited. They said it's gonna take about anywhere from 4 to 7 days to get it done. But hopefully it'll be sooner, because we're taking out this big ghetto box and we go put it we go put a speaker under here. Oh God. Oh, yeah, but anyway, that's linked. That's on there. So they got to take this out. They're going to put a nice system under this so I can have my space. You know what I mean? So, man, we go get to it. Let's go see what they go put in here. Let's go. So here we go, man. We over here with Hen Dog, man. And y'all know, y'all see this now, but when this table empty, we gotta chug it down. We gotta chug that Hen Dog down for Hen Dog. So he gonna explain to us what we got. I'm excited because I don't think we never had this much stuff we put in the vehicle yet. And Hertz, you know, you gotta have a little investment. You gotta have a little of your crypto and your NFT money put to the side. Oh, and Bitcoin. No, let me leave Bitcoin out.
Alright, so we're going to replace the speakers. These are the top of the line Hertz Audio Legend speakers. So we're going to do the speakers on the doors and the little tweeters, the front doors, and also the back doors. 3 amplifiers.
Dang.
This little one is for the tweeters. This one here is for the door speakers, and then this is for the subwoofer. So each speaker will be powered by each channel, which will sound really nice. This is the subwoofer. So this is a low profile Hertz Audio subwoofer. This is one of the best small subwoofers. It's gonna go underneath the bottom. So it's gonna be all hidden. Everything's gonna be clean, out of the way. Right here, this is the heart and the soul of the sound system. The signal processor, VSP. This is the best one in the market. High resolution. Anything you can think about, this is the best one to get. Mercedes, or like a really nice premium audio if you want to get better sound, this is the one to get. And this is just a little bass controller, separate for the subwoofer, so you can control the bass on it.
No extra battery needed for all these amps?
Yeah, the battery's going to be good. The alternator is good. So It's gonna sound really nice.
Wow, because I know years ago when I used to get all my music, they would, for all these amps, they would recommend like an extra battery or whatever.
So these are really efficient amplifiers. They're tiny. They produce a lot of power, so they're a little bit updated compared to the older ones, which are really big, and you might need like batteries and stuff like that. So it's gonna sound really nice.
School them, man. Let them know on the internet, because you know we got a lot of naysayers and pessimists and doubters. So you guys gonna be able to see, and you already saw all our music we got done from here. We never had any issues with battery issues or nothing like that. So man, this is the best to do it, man. If you're in Southern California, or have your car shipped here, if you got, you know, y'all that view me, man, y'all rich. I need a loan when y'all come out here, ship your car too. Y'all can meet me too, all right? Let them know. Hidden Dog, I was watching Kylie Muscle video, and I want my car to come there because y'all the best. And they are, and we just not saying that because they are friends and our sponsors, all right?
All right, so we're gonna unbox all these. We're gonna show you what Cali Muscle's getting in his Mercedes. So these will be the door speakers here. So there's gonna be 4 door speakers, one on each door, of course. These are really high-end speakers. They have a special type of magnet too, so it's very powerful and small. So these are the Legend speaker tweeters from Hertz Audio. So this is really top-notch quality. So there's 3 different amps. This is specially for the tweeters. So you're gonna have 4 tweeters run by this particular amp here. We're not gonna use, so these crossovers we're not gonna use, and we're gonna use each channel will have its own amplifier and also its own crossover from the signal processor. So this main one here is another 4-channel. This one's going to be for the door speakers. This one's a little bit more power than the tweeter amplifier, because these speakers are actually a little bit more power. It's going to be the biggest power for, you know, the most watts pretty much. So this is a 1-channel amplifier, perfectly made for the sub. And also the subwoofer. This here is the cleanest sounding subwoofer. That's a shallow mount, low profile subwoofer that they make. This also has a special type of magnet, so it's very small and powerful. Very good design. So this is gonna sound amazing. So this here is the Audison Bit 1 Virtuoso. This is the best one and pretty much in the market that they have for a signal processor. With this here tuned up, it's gonna sound really nice. So that's pretty much it. If you guys want a high-end sound system just like Cali Muscle, then whenever you see him, tell him, I want to hear that sound system. I want to hear that expensive sound system. So, because each speaker has a different frequency. This one pretty much gets all that stuff in and then makes the right frequency for each speaker. So it's going to sound really nice that way.
Yeah, I'm always amazed at this audio stuff, man. It's wild. And just for you guys knowing it, you know what I mean? That's you like an electrical engineer. I didn't know how to do this. I learned some basic music stuff, but it wasn't this technical.
I'm high as hell. I'm high as hell. Hey, okay. If you got the money to get a Hellcat, a Jailbreak, or whatever you call it, this is a stock model. I want to show you guys what a stock Jailbreak looks like, okay? Hold on. So this is what a stock Jailbreak looks like. Obviously, you got your Hellcat emblem here. Hey, if you see a Hellcat, you know it means business. If it's got a red eye, you know it means super business. And they gave me the 10 extra horsepower. I called up Dodge. They gave me 10 extra horsepower. So they're like, there you go, 10 extra horsepower so you can beat all those red eyes. You got a red eye? Get slow. Get slow. Turn it in, get something better. We got the Brembo brakes in this. They're all black. See, this is what stock looks like. Everybody's like, oh yeah, you got the stock Hellcat. It's all black. You should keep it murdered out. You're boring. You're boring. It's boring. Those wheels are boring. You gotta get Forgiatos in this thing. That's how a real player does it. So let me pop the hood for you guys. This black hood, all shiny black, got the black emblem, you can't even see it. Why the hell would you even want it? You can't see nothing. Cold air intake, this is a cold air intake. It feeds in the cold air. It goes down this little pipe thing. It's got sensors on it and stuff. It goes into the cover. This is the cover for the supercharger. Supercharger's underneath. Okay, I learned that on my last charger. Y'all were hating in the comments. The supercharger's inside this, okay? So it sucks in the air, and depending on which brand, you know, Hellcat you got, depends on what you can get. You know, this is Jailbreak, so they don't even have any cold air intake for this thing. So you got to jury rig some stuff, which is coming soon. But that I don't want to digress into that too much there. Anyway, this is the cover, right? It's got the red eye in there, so you know it means business. Hemi, let me see how it says supercharged Hemi. This is a big deal because if you don't have a Hellcat, you just got a Hemi. It doesn't say supercharged. That's the difference. My stuff says supercharged, so when I put my foot on the gas, we going places. This is my fast car, right? Got the green belt. It's green, that means not slow. Green means go, not slow. Show you the Jailbreak emblem. Hey, wait, gotta see the Jailbreak. Come see the Jailbreak emblem. Show them, Callie. There it is. If it don't say Jailbreak, you slow as hell. To me, you're slow. You're extremely slow. You're in 797. You're slow, bro. I'm hooking too. Drag radials on this, and I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. This is stock. It's boring. I just had to make a video to show you how boring this stock one is. It's all black. It's boring. And we got a rear diffuser from Amazon here. You squeeze it and you bend it. That's how you know it's cheap, okay? 2022 Hellcat Jailbreak. They're not making no more of these. This is it. They're done. After this next year, they're done. So if you ain't got a Jailbreak, you're slow and you're behind in times, man. We don't want to hear nothing about no 2014, no 2018, no. If it don't have a 2.2, like a 2020 something, it's old. It's old and nobody cares, okay? So thanks for checking out the basic stock model Jailbreak. Appreciate you guys.